Yep. Quick shot of the red going on. You're out of paint. Okay. We'll fix that. Now I'm just gonna let that dry and come back and put a little coat on it. That's why we're doing the red, so that I can put a new decal on it to make it look as good as this side does. Sorry about the noise, but that's a reason paper. Let's see. All right, I got my Iwata Eclipse HPCS all cleaned up here. And you gotta really take care of these things, man. I mean, make sure you get them good and clean after each use. And I didn't have to take this apart because I was just using some Model Air fluorescent red. That's the body of the car. I'll show you in a minute. And yeah, just keep your brush clean. It'll be good to you. And for that kind of paint, I just use this Media airbrush cleaner. Got off Amazon. And when it got about down to here, I just put a little water and kept going with it. And when that's gone, I've got this stuff. Master airbrush cleaner for that kind of stuff. Usually I just use lacquer thinner. That's good. I put LT in the skull and crossbones on the lid from these little blue jars. That's just plain old lacquer thinner got from Home Depot. And then you got mineral spirits. This is thinner, like for enamel paints. And IA, isopropyl alcohol, another blue jar. So, I don't know if that says on there. Oh, 91%. That's what that says. So, those are my solvents. And then I got some other stuff, but that's all I need to go into. If you want to clean your brush, that's how you make it happen. Later. And here is the result of tonight. I'll blow it up. Let's just zoom in a little bit there. Remember what I'm doing is I took off the decals, particularly that decal there, and that decal there, and another one over here, because they didn't line up with the ones on this side. So I just wanted to redo them, and I took them off, and it made a mess, and so I had to remask, as you can see, and repaint. So the red's on, this stuff right here, Model Air fluorescent red, 71 G32, whatever that is, and it takes a few coats. So there's one coat, and the airbrush is all cleaned up. There's the rest of the model waiting the body to be put on, and it can't wait. I might have to test it. There's the hood over there, looking good. All glossed up, ready to go. And yeah. Well, hopefully get this wrapped up pretty soon. Then I can move on to the Batmobile. That'll be fun. All right. See you later. Model on. Take care.